Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do anonymous questions on Instagram story. First of all, we will just go to the Instagram and it's very easy to do it. We'll click on the plus icon, right? And here, let me just convert this, right? And once it's done, you have to first of all create a story here. So I'll just take a screenshot, or even you can just click on create and select a color over here. Now we'll just go to this sticker icon, and here now we will just go to the questions, and here you can just ask whatever questions you want to do, right? And anybody can answer it, and yeah, no, so this is how you can do it, and this is completely anonymous, so I hope it is helpful for you. And for example, once a question is done, right, and you can just add a story by clicking this, or just by clicking this, so it will become a story, and this is how you can do anonymous questions on Instagram story. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and if you found this video useful, of course give us a like. See you, take care.